ক্লাস 10-এর ইংলিশ লেসন 1 ফাদার্স হেল্প কোশ্চেন আনসারগুলো বলছি। তোমরা সবাই মন দিয়ে শোনো আর লেখো। সবাই লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রিপশন দিয়ে দাও। চুজ দি কারেক্ট অল্টারনেটিভ টু কমপ্লিট দি ফলোয়িং সেন্টেন্সেস। উইথ এ শাডার স্বামী রিয়েলাইজড দ্যাট ইট ওয়াজ মন্ডে। When Swami was to have been in the school prayer hall, he was lying on the bench. According to Swami, Samuel is especially angry with boys who are late. Swami said that he had a headache. 2. Supporting statement at 9 o'clock, Swaminathan wailed, I have a headache. Swami was lying in his father's room. False. Supporting statement, Swami was lying on the bench in mother's room. According to Swami, the headmaster was not afraid of Samuel. False. Supporting statement, they say that even the headmaster is afraid of him. এবার ইউনিট 2 থেকে কোশ্চেন আনসার বলছি। তোমার লাইক আর সাবস্ক্রিপশন যারা দাওনি তারা দিয়ে দাও। সাবস্ক্রিপশন লেখা আছে, আঙুল দিয়ে দাও। এবার ইউনিট 2 থেকে আমি কিছু কোশ্চেন আনসারগুলো বলছি, তোমরা মন দিয়ে শোনো। Father decided to send the headmaster a letter. While going to school, Swami was bothered by conscience. The color of Samuel's coat was yellow. Complete the following sentences with information from the text. Father's behavior took an unexpected turn. Swami went to school feeling that he was the worst boy on earth. Swami stopped on the roadside to make up his mind about Samuel. Where did father put the letter? Father put the letter in an envelope and sealed it. What did Swami fail to decide about Samuel? Swami failed to decide if Samuel really deserved the allegations. How did Samuel look? Samuel had dark face, thin moustache, unshaven cheek and wore a yellow coat. এবার ইউনিট 3 থেকে কোশ্চেন আনসারগুলো বলছি। When Swami entered the class, Samuel was teaching arithmetic. Swami was late to school by half an hour. The headmaster was on a leave for a week. As Samuel entered the school gate, an idea occurred to him. Father snatched the letter away from Swami and tore it up. তাহলে এখানেই শেষ করলাম।